Litecoin is trading within a massively bearish pattern today. This is what's called a bear flag pattern. And historically, this crashes to the downside aggressively. In this video, I'm going to show you both the signals that are showing why this is bearish, and more importantly, the signals that have historically called entire bear market bottoms. From the exact bear market bottom, which was called using these signals, to the top of the next bull market, this was nearly 250% profit. And before that, the same exact entry signals called an insane 1,698% from the 2018 bear market bottom. These signals are simple, easy to follow, and very clear to read, but missing them could mean missing out on a huge amount of profit. Real quick before we get started, my name's Jake with Trade Confident, and in our membership, we just posted a brand new future forecast explaining the further drop that could happen and how we're handling it in our 7-figure portfolio. So be sure to sign up at the links in the description down below for our membership for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Litecoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. This is what's called a bear flag pattern, and it appears when you see an upward trending channel after a sharp drop. And this is actually coming out of a much larger bear flag pattern before that. This is highly bearish, and while we may see a move up to test resistance again, I still think it's going to reject, and regardless of how many times it does that, this is a highly bearish pattern that most often will break to the downside. As that happens, I will be looking for a move into fear and then max fear. If this line, the brightly colored line, turns bright green, this tells me that retail traders are absolutely freaking out. They are selling out of whatever Litecoin they can just to recoup the cash and hold that for the long term. As retailers panic sell, it drops the price. And when there's no more retailers panic selling, when they're all out of the market, the price is not likely to drop further. Institutions know this, and they buy up at that significantly discounted level. And smart traders know that the real money is made on the entry. Even if you miss the exact bottom by a couple of percent, that can translate to hundreds, even thousands of dollars lost on the uptrend. And that's why we rely, on top of max fear to call market cycle bottoms, we rely on the Pro Trade Manager to call local bottoms within those zones. If we see a green dot on the Pro Trade Manager calling a local bottom at the same time as max fear reading on the market cycle highs and lows, this is calling the bottom of the entire market cycle. So you are going to get an entry zone with a local bottom from the Pro Trade Manager, optimizing your entry within that zone. It is so crucial that you have these indicators on your chart ready to go for when this shows up. And to make sure you don't miss it, we're heading over to the Alerts tab, click Create Alert, Market Cycle Highs and Lows, looking for Max Fear, once per bar close, and click Create. Next alert, Pro Trade Manager, long entry, short take profit, once per bar close, and click Create. That's it. You can just walk away from your devices now. Just wait until you see fear or max fear appear on your trading device as a notification. Make sure you have TradingView on your phone so you know as soon as it happens. And when that happens, it could be the absolute best entry opportunity we could see for years in Litecoin. If not, very close to it. Our members get access to these indicators at a massive discount on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast episodes and more. In order to get the best prices, sign up for a membership at the links in the description down below, 25% off your first month. From there, head to the Indicators tab, scroll down to the Market Cycle Highs and Lows. Reveal your membership coupon code here, click it, write it down, click Checkout on Gumroad, click I want this, scroll down to the Pro Trade Manager, click that and add it to cart. The membership code that you found in the earlier pages works for both, and it's going to give you $150 off each, $300 off total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next one.